sliders off of Amazon. They're called Evotech Performance. And they're exactly what you think they are. Just cheap axle sliders. Nut with a threaded end rod. Unscrew them. Slide one end through. They're going to be installed exactly how they're over top of, and then tightened down. There's no torque spec for these, obviously. They have lock washer or lock nuts, so as long as you're past the rubber, you should be good on the with them not backing up. Alright, so the front one is slightly different, the inlet of the inside of these Amazon axle spools. So one like that sits way off and it looks weird, but on this side it fits flush and it sits nice, and the other one does the same. It sits weird on this side but looks good on this side. And these, you just keep the nut on one end, open the other, and it literally just slides through the center and sits over like that. And then you place this one over, sits like that, and then put the washer and the washer are index so they go a certain way, and then the nut, and then tighten them down. And they're 10 mil both sides. So if you have 2 sockets, you can put it on both sides and just tighten. And that's pretty much it. And that's how you install the front one. And the rear one is going to be the same. The couplers are the same on both sides. Yeah, one's deeper, so the deeper coupler, the one that goes in instead of like that, like this one's not as deep. The not deep one goes on the side that has just the nut, and then the deep one goes on the side that has the threads coming out. So I'll go through. And place it through the center, just like before. This one's already threaded past the threads a little, so I won't have to tighten that side. Sits on flush, lines up with those spools, and then the other side, how it sticks out. Slides right over, washer, index it the right way. So place the washer in there, and the nut. take your 2 wrenches. They're 13 mil. And then same thing as the front. Put one on one end and then tighten the other side. The only downfall with these are every time you change your tire, chain, or anything with your wheels coming on and off, you have to take these off. So it's an extra step on disassembly. But so I'll tighten this one down a little more so the rubber O-ring has at least one thread past it, and that's pretty much tight for them. You don't have to over tighten them. And that's installing axle sliders for a 2024 MT03 from Amazon. They're like $30.